very satisfied po kami. I'm very happy with the output.
Very fast.
Yeah,
That's
very
what I can
fast.
say. Even during the construction, we tried to change things like the balcony, and then the company was very flexible with that. So it's a positive experience for us.
Yes, yes. Kung ano po yung nasa mind namin na tiny house is talagang yun din po talaga yung output. Overall kasi pag may problem na solve naman agad, so very happy kami so far and grateful kami talaga even sa workers, to engineers, management, hands-on po kayo, kaya very grateful kami.
Yeah, actually, because the price is affordable for everybody, I think, and the quality is good. Yes, 100%.
Definitely. Sa mga workers and sa hedges, thank you very much sa hard work. And very grateful kami na nakilala namin yung hedges. Actually, at first, sabi namin, saan ba kami makakahanap na okay na contractor ng mga tiny house? Then, siya mismo ang nag-search. Kasi alam niyo naman, ngayon sa Philippines, maraming mga contractor na news na hindi tinatapos yung project, hindi namin meet on time, gano'n. Pero with hedges, okay na.
Yeah, I 100% agree that because some people they try to offer a cheap price and then half of the construction done and they said, oh sorry, we ran out of budget, and that won't happen with the hedges, I think. It's absolutely a 10 for me.
Yeah, 10 din sa akin.
Because even if I found the small problems, they fixed it as soon as possible. So that's also my reason why it's 10.
Kasi madami akong mga additional palagi. Very flexible. And ayun, wala naman akong reklamong narinig. And yun, pasok pa rin sa budget namin kahit may mga naging additional man na scope of work.
Thank you.
Contact us today for more information. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube.